Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. It has been crazy cold this week, so we wanted to compare this year to other recent Februaries. A table of El Reno high temperatures for the first 5 days in February since 2011 shows that February started out cold like this year. 2012 and 2013 were much milder. The big difference this year from others is that we are getting colder after the first 5 days in February. That decline in temperature shows up markedly when we chart the high temperatures for these first 5 days in February for the last 4 years. The purple and black line showing 2014 starts off near 30 degrees and then falls. All the lines for other years are higher by the 5th of February. This entrenched cold is putting added stress on Oklahoma's cattle. A graph from El Reno shows the cold starting up as we entered February. The Cattle Comfort Index, the solid blue, bounces between 0 and 20 degrees through the 5th and then drops dramatically down close to minus 20, coming up only close to 0 on Wednesday. To see how much stress this cold is adding to cattle near you, check the Cattle Comfort graph for your location. As of February 5th, the number of counties with burn bans has dropped to 9. Now here's Gary with a look at our drought conditions.
Thanks, Al. Good morning, everybody. It's great to be back on Sunup. We've certainly roared back into winter during February. And the snow and the ice are great if you need the moisture, but some places unfortunately still didn't get enough to tackle one of the major concerns I deal with, and that is drought. So let's take a look at that drought map that we just saw come out on Thursday, and we did see some increase across far western Oklahoma. If you'll look into the Roger Mills County, that area didn't see much moisture. They saw maybe a quarter to a half inch. But that wasn't enough to offset the long-term drought concerns that were reported to us this week. So we did see that D3 or extreme drought move farther north into Roger Mills County and far southern Ellis County. We also saw the outlooks for precipitation and temperature for the month of February come out from the National Weather Service's Climate Prediction Center. For temperature, they show increased odds of below normal temperatures for the northern 2/3 of the state. Obviously, after this first week, we're already well on our way towards that. For precipitation, I'm afraid they don't show any leanings towards drier than normal or wetter than normal or even near normal. So really a lack of a forecast or an outlook on precipitation. Now, when you put all those together, where the drought is at right now, and then you include the outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center, we get the U.S. Monthly Drought Outlook for February. And they show areas where there's drought now, it's probably going to persist through the month of February. And also that little area out across western Oklahoma that just has abnormally dry conditions right now is expected to increase to full drought. So we've gotten some good moisture. We can certainly hope for some more. I hope it's in the form of rain. I'm really tired of the snow. But hey, we'll take anything we can get, right? That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.